Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time. I wanted to come on here and update you on where I am and what I'm doing. I am currently in Minnesota, in Rochester. I am here for work and I'm here temporarily. It's been an incredible experience. The weather is something else. I don't know if you know, but Minnesota is like one of the coldest states. So that was definitely an adjustment for me. I wanted to come on here and kind of just show you a few of the things that I have been loving lately. And these are products that I recently discovered and I wanted to share with you guys because I think that you will enjoy it as well. And a lot of them are actually from the drugstore. So if you want to keep watching, that would be fantastic. And I'm going to try and see if I could get a different angle that's not super crazy like this one. All right guys, I figured this is a better setup than the earlier clip. These are products that I've seriously been enjoying for the past year. You know, 2020's been insane, but we push through and we just kind of try and move on as best as we can. So the first product I wanted to share with you is a lip product. I haven't really been wearing any lip products lately because we've been wearing masks, you know, so there was no point. It was actually really weird putting on lipstick today. But what I have been doing is using lip gloss, and this is a lip plumping lip gloss from Too Faced, and it's called Too Faced Lip Injection in Maximum Plump. Looks like that. It really gives you that tingly feeling and you can see that your lips are plumped, and I feel like the blood vessels just kind of get really hyped, and so you have that nice kind of it just enhances your lip color. That's what I was trying to say. That is really it for lip products. A lot of these I've been mostly focusing on like my eyes and my eyebrows because it's like literally all you can see. Most of the time I don't wear foundation, but when I do need to wear foundation, I wanted something that would stay on. And my friend, and I think this is like a cult classic, like tried and true holy grail product. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. It looks like this. And I am in the shade 4W1 Honey Bronze, and I actually got this in a darker shade because I've been tanning lately, and so I don't tan my face, so I wanted to match. So I've really been loving this product. It's expensive, but it's definitely worth it. It will last you a long time. You do purchase the pump separately, and I think it's worth buying because it's so much easier to deal with. What I love about it is that it stays on your face for a very long time, and it doesn't transfer. And that was the most important thing to me, because when you're wearing a mask and you get a lot of transfer and you put it back on your face, you just start irritating your skin, and I was getting a lot of breakouts around my face. So it was either like I was not wearing any makeup at all, or I would wear makeup, get a lot of transfer, and get a lot of like mask me. It mixes well with the rest of the products that I use, and so it's well worth the money. The next few things I wanted to show you guys are concealers, because like I said, I haven't really been wearing foundation, so I've just been wearing concealer, and I have two different kinds. I wear a concealer for my under eyes and then for the rest of my face. The Tarte Creaseless Concealer, which looks like this, works incredibly well. And I am in the shade Light Medium Neutral 25N. And what I love about this product is that it's creamy and it's opaque, so it's got great coverage. I don't have to color correct if you have super dark circles. And once you apply it, you just let it kind of sit for maybe a minute, and then you blend it with a beauty blender, and it stays on. It doesn't crease. It really enhances your eyes and it really gets rid of that tired look. I was like thinking, what drugstore product can I use if I ran out of this, or if I, like, for those of you that wants a cheaper version or like a more affordable version, because this isn't too expensive, but it is $26 and it does last you a while. But for some people, you know, for those of you that, you know, don't want to pay $26, I actually found this Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer at the drugstore, and I am in the shade Light Natural, and that's what I have on my under eyes right now, and it definitely stays. And it's creamy, it's easily blendable, it dries fast though, but once it dries, it stays there. And if your under eyes are well moisturized, if you do use these two products, you have to make sure that your under eyes are well moisturized. Use a great eye cream. You're supposed to be moisturizing it anyways, because if you have super dry under eyes, it will not look good. And I think it's because of the properties that allows it to stay for a long time. And then, you know, I bought this Estee Lauder foundation and I figured, oh, they have an Estee Lauder double wear concealer. I went ahead and purchased it. It was pretty expensive for a concealer, and it looks like this, like that. So packaging wise, it is very pretty. But I wasn't really impressed. I definitely would not repurchase this, but I'm showing this to you guys because I wanted to kind of, you know, just in case you were wondering if you bought this and then you were thinking about buying this as well, like, just to let you know, it's not as good as the foundation, just so you know. The next face products that I wanted to share with you are another holy grail product, and everybody knows this, everybody loves it. It took me a while to really get on the bandwagon, but it's the Laura Mercier setting powder. So I have the translucent one and I have the glow version. So I love getting the travel size version because it can really last you a while, you know. And if you're somebody that doesn't want to pay the price of a full size powder and you don't necessarily use it as much, you know, a travel size is the perfect size for you. And so I typically use the translucent, like, regular for my under eyes because it helps prevent, like, the product from setting in the fine lines, like on my smile area and on my under eye area. I didn't realize that I got the glow version when I got the full size, but I actually really like this because it gives you that nice glow all over your face, because I've not been a fan of a matte look. I like that nice glow. So this is definitely a great powder to use that. You have to use it sparingly though, and I wish they had a travel version of this because I definitely use a lot less of this than this. I have two palettes that I wanted to share with you, and I didn't want to share it until I was sure that I loved it and used it enough, and I do. So this is the M Cosmetics Divine Skies eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. So as you can see, it has a combination of matte and satin and then shimmer colors. So it's a gorgeous palette, and I love that it has a really good mirror that you can use, and it comes in this super compact packaging, and the design is so pretty. This is worth the money as well. Like, if you've been wondering about any M Cosmetic products that you want to try out, this is definitely one of those that you should probably try out. I've been using this like all the time, like on my eyes right now. That's what I have. So as you can see, so that's what it looks like. I really love that super nice, like, glowy kind of look. And this sheen right here, that's from the powder that I showed you. So It's got a good combo of colors, very natural everyday, and you can actually use this as a bronzer and this as a blush, these two colors, so it's very multi-purpose, and these ones as your highlight. And that's exactly why I love this palette. I can just bring this for traveling and I will be set. The next palette is actually an oldie but a goodie, and yes, they do still sell this because I've seen this in the stores, but this is the e.l.f. blush palette. It has a super large mirror, which I absolutely love. You can just bring this palette and you don't have to bring another mirror to do your makeup and stuff because it's like enough. But this is like the palette I love, and this is my go-to blush palette. I absolutely love this color and this color together. And sometimes I would like mix these two. I don't use this much because I think this is more for darker tones. I don't remember, I think this is like the light palette, or maybe I switch some of the palettes from like the medium and the dark and put it into just one palette. You'd have to take a look because it's been a while since I had these, but like just these palettes in general, they're so good. For cheeks, since we're talking about blushes, in the Philippines, or I think they ship internationally now, the Sunny's Air Blush Cheek Tint have been my absolute favorite. They're just so cute, and the ones that I've been using all the time is Moon and Biscuit. And I have a video where I use these products. I'll just link it below for you guys. But Moon is such a like very multi-purpose color. It also looks great on any skin tone, honestly. And Biscuit can be like a nice contour product for very light skin, or like a nice peach blush for medium to darker skin. It looks like this. And I'm just gonna show you what it looks like. So that's like peach. And the beautiful thing about this product is that it's cream, but it applies powder. So, and then you do the Moon up top here. It's super easy to use. Like, you can wear this without foundation. You can put this on your lips, on your lids. Super, super flexible product. And I have absolutely been loving these Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt Gel Mascaras. Looks like this. I have been searching for a really good brow mascara. As you know, I've been using the NYX brow mascara for a very long time. But I dyed my hair. I have lighter hair now, and I wanted to have lighter brows, but not to make it look like super done up. Like, as you can see, like my brows are not super done up. These are like all my hair. So I wanted a brow mascara that enhanced it, like had that feathery stroke to it, but without it looking super done. And I love that the brush tip looks like this. So it's double-sided. There's one that's shorter and then there's one that's longer. I typically use the longer side because it just kind of gives your brows a little bit more fluffy look, and that's what I like. And then you just kind of blend it out. And this brush I'm using right now is actually the brush for the next product that I'm going to be showing you, and it is the brow soap. So this one is just from Amazon. It's, I think, glycerin soap. Looks like this, and you basically spray this with water, rub it on the soap, and you just use it to kind of fix your brow hair up. And I don't know how long this has existed, but like, I don't know why I just found out about this, but I've seen this a lot on Instagram, and I was like, you know what, I want to try that out. but obviously you have to have brow hairs. So what I've been doing is I've been putting castor oil on my brows to help them grow out, and it's been working really great. So that really makes me happy. I have been growing out my lashes because, as you know, when the pandemic happened, everything shut down. I had lash extensions for such a long time, and so obviously they fell off and I had no other choice but to deal with my natural lashes. So I figured, you know what, I need to invest in products that will help my natural lashes grow. And the Grande Lash MD is the serum that I've been using, and it has truly helped my lashes grow to this length. Like, if you've seen my older videos where I show you my real lashes, you will see that my lashes are not this good looking. I also got them tinted and lifted recently, but even without doing that, like in my previous videos, like if you see my demo on the MAC concealer, and I think that's the last video I uploaded, that's all my real lashes. But I've been loving using the Benefit Their Real Mascara. This is the only mascara I've used so far that really helps give my lashes that like fluttery look without it looking too done up. So my goal has literally been very chill, very low-key makeup, not too done up, very natural, glowy, dewy. And so this really helps my lashes look super fluttery and enhanced, but not too done up. And I can use it on my bottom lashes without any problems, and that's like the best part. That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. I wanted to come on here and share the products that I have been loving lately. You know, it's been a long time since I did that, and so I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, give it a share. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and thank you so much for checking out my video. I will see you in my next one. I'm probably gonna share like my skincare version of products that I've absolutely been loving, because with the pandemic, I'm sure a lot of you have been suffering through maskne and all that stuff. So tune in for that.